Hi, my name is David. I just wanted to let you know if you're looking for a landscape designer in Dayton, Ohio, this is the place. I have a company that I want to talk to you about. My wife and I, about 2 years ago, decided to buy a house because the inside of it looked gorgeous. The outside needed a lot of work, but the inside looked gorgeous. We had some stuff we wanted to do, building a fence and stuff on the outside, and that we got done, but we've been trying to put plants in the flower beds out front and trim the trees and stuff, and it's just been a nightmare getting that stuff. So we were a little bit skeptical, but finally decided, you know what, if we're going to do this, let's do this right. Let's get a really good company out here to give us some landscape design. So we had a few people come out, and there's one that stood up head and shoulders above the rest of them, and I just wanted to share that with you. But first, I wanted to give you a look at our really ugly landscaping right now, our front yard. So let me turn the camera around here. This is what we have going on here. An absolute mess. Now, part of it, we haven't done any weeding this year because we knew we were going to rip it all out and put new better landscaping in, but it's just been a nightmare trying to get these plants. There's a few plants down at this end that are just really, we've planted them. That one right there is completely dead. We've spent some small amounts of money on our own planting and stuff. It just hasn't worked. I must have a black thumb or something like that. So anyway, but I wanted to show you the landscape designs that we got back from Country Club Landscaping. They were I was absolutely blown away here. Let me turn the camera around and show you kind of what we got. First thing he pulled out a book here, and this has different pictures and stuff like that of the plants, but then he unrolled this drawing here. You can see the house here, the driveway there, the tree, and this is our front flower bed, or whatever you want to call it. Ends right here, but the fence we built goes along here, so it just kind of looks like a big empty wall in our yard. So we wanted to extend the landscape out in here and stuff like that. So anyway, Chris took about an hour and a half asking us a bunch of questions so that he could find out what we wanted in our landscaping and everything. And through that, he came up and he worked about a week and came up with a really solid plan, lots of color, lots of things that we wanted to see in it. And this is just a little part of it. Let's go back over and I'll show you the design and stuff and how that works. So the plants here, they're all listed right here. All the different kinds of plants and trees and shrubs and flowers and stuff, as well as the grass and stuff that he has, ornamental grass and stuff he wants to plant there. We also wanted the side yard to have we have a gate right here, so we wanted to have a stone walkway to kind of allow, if someone wanted to walk over there without walking through the grass and stuff like that. We're probably going to end up also putting up a tree right here. But anyway, this is kind of the drawing. And then in here, it goes one step better. He has this book, and it goes over, let's see, it goes over the plant warranty and everything, all the stuff like that in the book. But then it shows pictures of what the stone walkway looks like here and what the plants look like that he's using, and it just really neat thing. Shows more pictures of what he's putting in. Really well done, and finally gives prices and stuff like that. So anyway, if you wanted to contact Chris, here's his number here. Let's see if I can get this without too much glare on here. There is, well, let me just read it to you. That number, I'll put it in the notes below the video as well. But the number is 433-5915. That number again is 433-5195, and that is for Country Landscaping. And just talk to Chris, ask for Chris, and he'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks.